Hi guys, how's life? Hopefully you all in good condition. So, my name is Angela Merici Juliani Maing. I am student or colleague from Sanata Dharma University. So, now I want to share the material about possessive pronoun. But before that, I will ask you guys. So, have you ever heard about possessive pronoun? If you ever heard about possessive pronoun, it's good. So, now we will run together, okay? So, uh, first I will show you the table of contents in my material. So, first I will talk about what is the definition of possessive pronoun. And the second, I will explain you about the possessive pronoun and with the example. And next, we will do the exercise. And the last is the conclusion of possessive pronoun. So guys, what is the possessive pronoun? Possessive pronouns is show ownership of a person, place, or thing. Because they are pronouns, a noun must be used before a possessive pronoun is used. Um, there's nothing to be afraid of though. Possessive pronouns are simply the replacement term for nouns or noun phrase that runs the risk of sounding repetitive. And of course, they also show position. One of the best ways to understand possessive pronoun is to know how they function in a sentence. Next, there are two types of possessive pronouns. First is the strong or absolute possessive pronoun. In the strong or absolute possessive pronoun, we can find the possessive pronoun like mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, and theirs. So, mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, and theirs is are refer back to a noun or noun phrase already used, replacing it to avoid repetition. So, the second is the weak possessive pronouns are also called possessive adjectives. There are my, your, his, her, its, our, your, and their. So, the weak possessive pronouns have a function as determiners in form of a noun to describe who something belongs to. Next, here's a reminder of the possessive forms. So, the subject pronoun, possessive absolute, and possessive adjective. When the subject pronoun is I, the possessive absolute is mine, and the possessive adjective is mine. And then, when the subject pronoun is you, the possessive absolute is yours, and the possessive adjective is you. And When the subject is he, the possessive absolute is his and the possessive adjective is his. When the subject pronoun is she, the possessive absolute is hers and the possessive adjective is her. Next, when the subject pronoun is it, the possessive absolute is its and the possessive adjective is its. And next, when the subject pronoun is we, the the possessive absolute is ours and the possessive adjective is our. And the last is when the subject pronoun is they, the possessive absolute is theirs and the possessive adjective is their. So this is the example. First, I said that phone was mine. So mine here is a possessive absolute. The second example, I said that's my phone. So that's so my here is possessive adjective. Next, from your information guys, without doubt, possessive pronoun help us to be more concise and useless words when explaining the same idea. The more concise you can be, the greater the chance the readers will follow what you're saying. For the examples, first, those are my Converse sneakers. They are not your Converse sneakers. So, those are my Converse sneakers. They are not yours. Yours, yours here is possessive pronoun. Second, I didn't have my textbook for English class, so Brian lent me his textbook. I didn't have my textbook for English class, so Brian lent me his. So his here is possessive pronoun. So guys, after you listen my explanation about possessive pronoun, let's do the exercise. So, his paintings were very colorful, but I liked her paintings better. So, what is the possessive pronoun? Can you guys see it? Second, my eyes are the color blue. And the last, I like listening to Bruno Mars more than Michael Jackson, but the dance moves are far more iconic. So, do you know guys, where is the possessive pronoun from the three questions? So, the answer is for point A, or his paintings were very colorful, but I like her paintings better. So, the possessive pronoun for the point A is her. Second, my eyes are the color blue. So here, the possessive pronoun is mine. And the last is, I like listening to Bruno Mars more than Michael Jackson, but his dance moves are far more iconic. So his ear is possessive pronoun. Okay guys, after we do the exercise, I will give you a little bit summary of the possessive pronoun. Generally, has all possessive pronoun has already been explained. In the example, when I explained before, you can see that its sentiment was neatly expressed. You will use possessive pronouns to talk about a person, place, or thing that in fewer words with a strong possessive pronoun. Okay, guys, that's all for me. So, stay healthy, stay alive, and stay safe. Goodbye.